Hello children, the continuation of class 11th chapter number 3 angles and arc length. The question is here, a railway train is travelling on a curve of 750 meter radius. Suppose this is a curve where the train is travelling. Length of the curve, let it be S. Radius. So ultimately if there is a curve, there is a complete circle also whose radius is 750 meters. And it is traveling at a rate of 30 kilometer in 1 hour. So I don't know right now the distance. We need to find through what angle, let the angle be theta, through what angle has it turned in 10 seconds. So given that in 30 kilometer per hour, in 30 kilometers it is traveling 1 hour in this way. We need to find the distance travelled by the train in 10 seconds that will be equivalent to arc length. 10 seconds में उसने ट्रेन ने कर्व का कितना पोर्शन कवर किया, दैट लेंथ विल बी एस. सो 1 आवर में अगर 30 किलोमीटर्स है, वी विल फाइंड फॉर 10 seconds बाय यूनिटरी मेथड. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो वी विल राइट लाइक द ऑपोजिट वे. 1 hour the distance covered is 30 kilometers. That means in 60 minutes the distance covered is same, and converting minutes to second, 3600 seconds means ultimately 1 hour. The distance covered is 30 kilometers. Now in 1 second the distance covered will be from many to 1. Unitary method says divide. Distance covered is 30 upon 3600. Now we need to find for 10 seconds from 1 to many. Now from here to here we will multiply 30 3600 into 10. This is unitary method straight away. जब हमें कम का निकालना होता है हम डिवाइड करते हैं, ज़्यादा का निकालना होता है 1 से ज़्यादा का we will multiply. Now just solving, we have got 1 by 12 kilometers, which is equivalent to arc length. Distance covered by the train will be the length of this circular portion, length of the circumference, which is actually the arc length. Now converting kilometer to meters, because this is 1 by 12 kilometers, so the arc length is basically 1000 by 12 meters, because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Radius also is given as 750 meters. Now we just have to find theta. For that the formula is arc length upon radius. Arc length is 1000 by 12 and the radius in the denominator. When we will solve, we will get 1 by 9 and automatically the answer will be in radians. If question says we can find in degrees, but the question is not asking for it. They just asking what angle. So the angle by default comes in radians only. That's the answer.